Why does engine coolant slowly go down over time? Have you noticed that during regular service visits, the dealership often adds coolant for free? The cooling system is sealed, so why does the level still drop? The coolant tank cap has a pressure relief valve. When system pressure gets too high, the valve opens to release pressure. At that moment, a small amount of coolant escapes as vapor. This is normal behavior. This type of coolant loss is considered normal wear. Losing about 10 to 30% in 1 year is acceptable. If the loss is higher than that, the cooling system should be checked for leaks. What about you? When you service your car at an independent repair shop, do they add coolant for free as well?